Okay, we have lost this screen. Let's do again. Distributive law. Okay, so distributive law. Yeah, Amit, can you mute yourself? 64. Right. So distributive law, what it says, okay, A and with A and with B or with C, okay, is equal to A and with B plus A and with C. Distributive law. A and with B or C. Okay, A and with B or C. It can be written as A and with B or with A and with C. Right, this is one law. So A or with B and C can be written as A or with B and A or with C. Right, this is called as distributive law. Okay, this is called as distributive law. So let's see here. I will be writing A plus A complement B. What we can write? A plus A complement B. Okay, so what we can write, let's see. A plus A complement B. This is in this form. You can see two values are odd. Okay, we have taken OR gate among two values, right? So this is A bar into B, okay, which is OR with A. Okay, so what we can write? This is, we can write A plus A bar into A plus B. Okay, so what is A plus A bar? A plus A bar. Okay, recently we have written A plus A bar is 1. Okay, A plus A bar is 1. So this is 1 into A plus 1 and with A plus B. Okay, 1 and with A plus B. 1 and with anything, okay, will result into same thing. Okay, so this expression can be written in this way. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is called as distributive law. Okay. Next we will go to commutative law. Okay, next we will go to commutative law. So in commutative law, what we will write, A or with B, okay, is equal to B or with A. It will give the same answer. Okay, it will give the same answer. Or, right? Then we'll write associative law. Okay, A and with B and with C can be written as A and with B and with C. Okay, this is called as associative law, right? All of you have noted. This is commutative law. This is called as associative law, right? Next, we have one more law called as De Morgan's law. This is important. Okay, you will be getting questions in exam. A nor with complement and with B complement. A and B bar. Okay, plus B bar. Okay, very important law. Okay, very important law. This is called as De Morgan's law, right? So these laws we will take into account to reduce a logical expression into a shorter form. Okay, to reduce logical expression into a shorter form, right? So if we have a very large expression, it requires a lot of number of gates, okay, and lot of processing. So by using these laws, we can reduce the logical expression into a smaller one. So which will be using small less number of gates, giving us the same result. Okay. So example, let's say you have an expression like this. Okay, you have an expression like this. Y is equal to, I have taken a random expression. Let's say B A C complement. Okay, plus B complement A C complement plus BC complement. Okay. Now, how many gates are required? Answer. How many gates are required for this? What is this gate? What is this gate? This is a
Sir.
OR gate. Okay. Two OR gates. How many AND gates required? Here one AND gate. Okay. Here one AND gate.
Three.
Three. Here one AND gate. Okay. How many NOT gates are required? NOT gate. Here
Three.
one NOT.
Sir,
Here one NOT. Okay.
four.
4. With 2 it is sufficient. Okay. B and C. Right. With 2 it, same thing we won't be doing again and again. Okay. Right. So with 2 NOT gates, it's okay. So NOT gate how many? 2. AND gate how many? 3. OR gate how many?
2, sir.
2. So what we will do, we will try to reduce this expression. Okay. So how to reduce? Let's say from this expression, I will take A C complement common. So what you will get? B plus B complement. Okay. Plus BC complement. What is B plus B complement?
1.
A plus A, I mean B or with B complement. Okay,
Oh,
B
1,
or
sir.
with B complement. It's 1.
Uh,
Okay. So this expression is 1. So what it will reduce to?
AC bar plus
BC bar. So what we can write? You can take C bar common. It is
A plus B.
A plus B. Now how many gates required? You require one NOT gate.
1 OR gate.
Okay. We require one NOT gate 1. Okay. AND gate. How many? 1. It is AND, right? OR gate how many?
1, sir.
Okay. With 3 gates, the same result is coming. Here we have taken 3 to 5 to 7 gates. So this Boolean algebra helps us to reduce the expressions. Okay, helps us to reduce the expressions. All of you understand? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we will take our that example and see what we can do with that. Okay. So that exam room scenario. Okay, exam room scenario. How many variables we had? A variable A and B. Okay, for invigilator. Okay, invigilator. Variable C for squared. Okay, and variable D for exam preparedness. Okay, exam preparedness. Exam preparedness. Okay, so what was the expression we got there? Y is equal to A plus B bar C
And
bar
C bar and
dot.
D bar.
Okay, this was one scenario where the squared is an unknown person who arrived, okay, in between the exam. So if this squared would have been known to you, what will happen? Even if in the presence of squared, you will open the slip because he is known to you. You won't say anything, right? So then what was the expression? Y is equal to A.
Plus B all bar.
Hmm.
Dot C. Dot D bar.
Okay. So two scenarios we have seen yesterday. Okay, let's pick this one and try to do something with this. Okay, y is equal to A plus B bar dot C bar dot D bar. Okay, so y is equal to A plus B bar dot C bar dot D bar. Okay, and we will be verifying this using a truth table that this expression and its reduced form, are they correct or not? Okay, so what we can write A plus B bar. What you can write A plus B bar here, De
A bar
Morgan's
dot
rule.
B bar.
Okay, A bar dot B bar. Okay, so I will write this as, or say A bar dot B bar. C bar dot D bar. What we can write? This is A plus B nor. Okay, this I can write what? A bar dot B bar. This is C plus D.
Plus D all bar.
Okay, now this is again, this is one expression, this is one expression. A plus B bar. Okay, so you consider this as X. Okay, this is Y. This is equivalent to what? X bar dot Y bar. So what we will write? X bar dot Y bar.
All bar.
X plus Y whole bar. So X plus Y means what? What is X? Okay, I have
A plus
taken,
C all bar.
okay, this as X. Okay, and this as Y. So this will be A plus B plus C plus D whole bar. Okay, so this form is reduced to this form. Okay, or say whatever function we have written here. Okay, these two will give us same thing. Okay, these two will give us same thing, right? Let's try this using a truth table. Okay, let's try this using a truth table. Okay, so let me make a truth table for you. Okay, so we have variables like A, okay, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C, and D. Then I would like to calculate first what is, okay, A or with B. Okay, what is A or with B? Then what is A, its complement. Okay, let me write complement. I've taken a prime. Okay, complement of this. So complement we can write as this or this. Okay, both are valid. Huh? Okay, then let's take another thing. C complement. Okay, D complement. Then we will find out this expression. What was our expression? A plus B. Let me write a little below. So we will find A plus B complement into C complement into D complement. Right? What is the answer? And we will find out A or with the B or with C. Okay. Or with B, with C, or with D, and its complement. Okay, next we'll find A with B, C with D, its complement. Okay, let's see the truth table. Okay, whether it is correct or not. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take all possible inputs. We will list all possible inputs here. Okay, so how many inputs are possible? How many combinations
16.
are possible? 16
16,
combinations are.
sir.
Okay, so let me write one by one. Okay, people also can fill it simultaneously. This is 0, 0, okay, 0, 0, right? So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so this is 0, 0, 0, 0, okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 4, 4, 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, what will be the last set of combinations? 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So in Boolean, this algebra, we have to make truth table to verify. That is the limitations. Okay. So now let's find out this column. Okay, find out this, then you find out this, find out this. Okay, now find out this, then you find out this. Okay, right? So let's do it for the first one. So what is A XOR with B? A
0,
XOR
0,
with B.
0.
Okay, so A B for first four rows it is all zero, right?
Yes,
So what will get? You're getting zero. Okay.
1, 1, 1, 1.
Hmm.
All ones
One,
next.
all ones. Okay, next
After.
all ones. Right. So what will be A or V? Its complement. What you will
4
get?
ones, all zeros.
Or one. Rest all
All
will be
zeros.
zeros. Okay. So this is 0, 0, 0, 0. Right. 0, 0. Hmm. All zeros. Right. So what will be C complement? Right here.
1, 1,
C complement.
1,
Okay.
1.
Hmm. 1, 1, 0, 0.
Chali.
Okay. 1, 1, 0, 0. Then what you will get? Again 1, 1, 0, 0. And again what you will get? 1, 1, 0, 0. Again what you will get? 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. D complement. What you will get? D complement. So this is 1, 0, 1, 0. This is 1, 0, 1, 0. This is 1, 0. Sorry. 1, 0. And this is again 1, 0, 1, 0. Right. Now and of these three. Okay. And of, we will be taking end of this. Okay. End of this three. So what you'll get? In AND gate, if any input is low, the output will be low. Okay. So you can see
All are
except first
zeros.
row, all other rows we have zero. Okay. So what we will be getting? The answer here?
1, all zeros.
Yes. This first one will be 1. Okay. The rest all will be zeros. Okay. 0, 2. Okay. Right. So all will be zeros up to last. Okay. Only first element is 1. So now let's find out this A or with B or with C or with D. Okay. So you have the table here, right? So if you take or along this line, what you're getting? Okay. So tell me the answer. A or with B or with C or with D. OR gate, what is the output? If any input is high, output will be high. If any input is high, output will be high. So except for the first case, what you will get? It will
1,
be a
0.
0. 0. Rest all will be
1,
okay. Rest all will be 1. What will be its complement?
1, all zeros.
Yeah, 1, all zeros. Okay, 1, all zeros. Right. So these two are same, right? You can see Hmm. This one and this one are same, isn't it? So this expression and this expression is also same. It's verified using truth table. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
whatever we have reduced using De Morgan's law, we have seen using a truth table, and it's is conclusive that they are correct. It can be reduced into those forms, right? So we have taken one a real-time scenario and gave a logical expression to it, and we have reduced it into some form, okay, using Boolean algebra. Okay, so similarly, any real time cases you can take, okay, and give some logical expression to it, okay, and try to do something with it, right? So today what we have learned a few rules related to and or, okay, and like distributive law, commutative law, okay. So we have seen these laws also we will be using commutative laws, associative laws, okay. And another thing is whenever we go for solving, okay, so priority you have to remember. So like whenever a logical expression is given, first priority is not get, okay, not you have to solve this, then next priority is and, the next priority is or, okay. These are the priorities you have to give. First is not, then and, then or, okay. So by taking this into account, in next class we will look into some other expressions, okay, logical expressions, how to represent them using figures, okay. So I guess we didn't represent the same thing in figure. See, this case y is equal to, okay, so this one, if you put it in figure, how it will be. So we will take two inputs, okay, A and B, and we require a NOR gate here. NOR means OR and NOT gate, okay, and another input C is there, I guess we lost the screen again. Okay, so let me put it quickly. The expression was y is equal to a plus b complement c complement d complement. Okay, so a was one input, b was another input. So this was fed to a NOR gate. Okay, then we have taken c complement of c and d complement of d, right, and should have a AND gate here, okay, and this is the output y, right? So usually what we do, we replace this blocks by the logic gates, okay. So it will be written like this is OR, this is NOR, okay, and this is not gate, this is not gate, okay. So this is A, B, C, D, okay, A, B, C, D. This is the AND gate. This is why. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, represent any logical expression in terms of gates, right? So we have some internet instability today. Okay, so we will stop at this point, right? CRs, send me attendance of the previous class and this class both. Okay, previous class you didn't send, I guess. Yesterday's class. Okay, both CRs. So we will stop here, right? Anyone, any issue? Madam?
Sir.
We will stop here, madam.
Okay, sir. Where you
Okay.
can see this Zoom recording, all those things?
Zoom recordings, either you can locally record it on your system, or else in
In our
cloud it
system,
will
it
be
is
recorded.
okay. How it is appear to students?
Students, you have to download and send the link. In mail, one link will come. You can send the
We
link.
want to send to them.
You have to send the link along with password. They can download.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. So I'm ending the meeting. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.